Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various company like the Salesforce, LSG, Cisco, and other important companies. So first important opportunity that is from the Salesforce, and this is a kind of AI challenge. So you have to register for this wonderful event. So Salesforce invite India's top engineering talent to an immersive high-stake experience designed to push boundaries, spark motivations, and this. So what is the Future Force AI challenge? You will basically work on various tech stacks, and these are the wonderful opportunities, especially a kind of hackathons are there. So if you're interested, you can apply, and especially if you're interested in Salesforce domain, must apply for this. So this will be 8-hour team hackathon and tackle real world statements and interview opportunity. Means top performer will also get the final interview, and you might get a PPO from them. So if you're interested, you can apply for this. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the lseg. They are hiring for the role of software developer, and this is a full-time role. So if you want, you can apply for that. This will be your role and responsibility. You will ensure data quality and consistency, data flow monitoring, and what are the required skill? At least 1 year experience working with Java. It means if you have some projects and if you have done something in Java, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Moving to next important opportunity, that is for the role of front-end developer Angular. So the company name is the Delta Capital. So if you want, you can apply for this. These are the roles and responsibility you will be having. The requirements is you should have proven experience as a front-end developer and have knowledge in front-end tech stack like Angular, JavaScript, TypeScript, HTML, CSS. So if you are interested, you can apply for this. And if you have some experience in AWS, then you will be getting preference. Remember friends, apply to all these jobs with updated resume and update the resume according to the job profile. Next important opportunity, that is from the Postman. They are hiring for the role of software engineer, client distribution, and job location is Bangalore. So these will be your roles and responsibilities. So if you have some experience, then you can apply for that. Okay, means this is not for the freshers. So moving to next, that is from the Cisco. They are hiring for the role of software UI developer. So these will be the requirements and the job profile. Just go through complete job link, the description. I will provide all the link there. So these will be your roles and responsibility. You will means use of strength, growth and learning. These are the things you will be getting. So if you are from the BS in computer science engineering and have some knowledge in UI development experience, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Moving to next, that is from the Modulr. They are hiring for the role of software engineer backend. So earlier also I have provided updates. The still hiring is going on. So if you want, you can apply for this. For this, you should have strong backend profile. Means if you have done some projects and you know the backend technology, then you can apply for this. Moving to last important opportunity, that is from the Dukan. They are hiring for the role of full stack engineer, and these will be your roles and responsibilities. Just go through that. So you should be available to start immediately. That's the requirements for that. So just go through all the things. So they have around 51 to 200 employees. Limited hiring will be there, but a kind of startup, so you will be getting a lots of growth opportunity in this. So hope video informative to you friends. If you have TCS NQT exam, just go through our video related to coding questions which are already uploaded on our YouTube channels, and we regularly post lots of important job update on my YouTube channel. So you can subscribe us for getting such update. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.